Hello guys, this project is about seatbelt alarm and controlling of vehicles. In this project we have used one Arduino board, one buzzer and one motor. These connections are treated as seat belt. When I am switching on the engine, the power is on. Now I didn't kept seat belt. When I am remove the seat belt, the vehicle will go slow. And when I keep the seat belt, automatically the vehicle speed can be increased. So seat belt is mandatory for driving. So like these systems we are used in vehicles nowadays. This is the new model which are implemented in new vehicles. Thank you for watching this video.